Hey guys, I know it's like raining outside, but today, I have something to do, some jokes. Okay. What do you call cheese that's not yours? Nacho cheese. How do you make a tissue dance? Put a little boogie in it. How do you make a person cry? Give them some pie. What do people say? What do people do when they hide? They divide. What? What do you make a baby? What do you make a baby? How do you make a baby fall? I'm making jokes. Jokes. Get out the video. What do you make cereal want? When does cereal want you to eat you? When it's winter. When does candy want you to eat you? When they eat you. When they eat you. What does a person say when I want money? They say that's funny. Hey guys, subscribe, like, if you like those jokes. Thumbs down if you don't like it. Thumbs up. You put subscribe notification. I'll pop up a screen right here. That's the video when we did like the challenge for part 2 of the jokes on a rainy day and sunny days to get cool. So we don't do jokes on sunny days. So like, subscribe, and put on that notification. See you guys next time. Bye, Felicia. Oh no.